Hi and welcome to our roundup of 2025. Not sure how everyone else feels, but this year seems to have disappeared quicker than ever. But nevertheless, we've managed to create a crazy amount of content, travelled to numerous cities, attended multiple trade shows and raise a glass or two along the way. This year also saw us expand our popular Pro AVL Connect networking events to 4 cities, reinforcing our belief in the value of real-life interactions and how critical they remain in our industry. But enough from me, let's hear some insights from the rest of the team.
So, summing up the year in APAC in less than 60 seconds. Google and AI provide their own answers, but research from industry bodies such as AVIXA or market advisories such as Modor Intelligence shines a more detailed light. So what are they saying? Well, the Asia Pacific professional audiovisual system market currently stands at $48.3 billion and is projected to grow by 33% over the next 5 years. I could go on and highlight rising digital first business models, hybrid workplaces, fast tracking of cloud native unified communications and 5G build-outs that are reinforcing steady demand even as supply chain friction persists. But I'll spare you and simply touch on how concert tourism has led to large display footprints and immersive audio upgrades. Having generated almost $400 million for Singapore in 2024, Taylor Swift's exclusive concerts possibly prompted other APAC countries for a greater share of the more lucrative tours. We are now witnessing an emergence of multiple new venues throughout China and India, in addition to Bangkok, Hong Kong, Kuala Lumpur, Macau and Seoul. Supporting esports, conferences and televised award shows in addition to concerts, these latest multi-purpose arenas are specifying 120 frame per second projection and immersive 360-degree audio arrays with low latency fibre backbones at their core. In addition, depleting warehouses in the buoyant live events industry has led to an increase in demand for modular LED panels, weatherised line array speakers and IP-based signal routers for redeployment across multiple venues. Ease of use, rapid setup, streamlined managed services. Sounds more like less manpower, more profits and a greater ROI to me.
So, looking back at MEA in 2025, the headline has really been the shift in momentum. Saudi is still the biggest market on paper, but talking to people across the region, the shine seems to have worn off a little this year. The opportunities are huge, but the pace has been uneven and that's pushed a lot of companies to cast their nets wider. The UAE has been the clear winner here. Dubai, Abu Dhabi, and we can now include Ras Al Khaimah in that list too, have had a terrific year with reliable pipelines and far fewer surprises in the delivery schedule. Crucially, the bills there also get paid. Turkey, meanwhile, seems to have staged yet another comeback. After a few difficult years, distributor activity is up, confidence is returning, and the market actually feels as if it's stabilising. And following its post-World Cup slump, Qatar has also been punching above its weight recently. With several companies told me that business there has picked up sharply, sometimes even outpacing its neighbours. And then there's Africa, still the great untapped opportunity. But movement this year has probably been slower than anticipated. Meaningful progress will only really come when politics steps aside long enough for investment and infrastructure to catch up. And I think that's really been the consistent theme this year: uncertainty. Whether it's elections, shifting regulations, or wider geopolitical tensions, the political backdrop has shaped almost every AV market in the Middle East and Africa, and across the world throughout 2025. But despite all this, the appetite for technology hasn't gone anywhere. If anything, the challenges have forced companies to be more strategic. The winners have been those with a clear vision of what they want to achieve, while still remaining open to the different paths that might get them there.
With 2025 coming to an end, it's hard to deny how transformative the year has been for the industry. For me, my highlight has definitely been getting out and about, travelling more and meeting with lots of people from across the industry to discover what is happening on the ground and the trends that are shaping businesses. If I had to choose one major theme from this year, it would have to be the mass of company acquisitions. When I went back through our previous editions to count how many we've reported on, the number was around 30, which is far too many to cover in a single minute. From Acuity Brands finalising its purchase of QSC and DPA Microphones acquiring Austrian Audio in January, to PowerSoft taking a 51% stake in its Italian neighbour KRA in February, and Bosch finalising its sale of Keenfinity to Triton in July, the big deals have been coming in thick and fast, and they don't appear to be slowing down. There have also been significant regional moves, such as Habino Corporation taking a 75% stake in Singapore's Spectrum Audiovisual, and NEP Group acquiring Dubai-based 7 Production. Alongside the big buyouts, we've seen major collaborations between competitors, such as Riedel and Netgear bringing together their solutions to advance AV over IP systems. So what does this all signal for the AV world? Is it the end of the family-owned business era and the industry mavericks and pioneers? I hope not. Will we see more private equity firms stepping in and manufacturers merging to create conglomerate businesses? Is it even a good or bad thing for the industry? The jury's still out. Nevertheless, moving into 2026, I'm eager to see whether this rapid pace continues and what shape the industry takes next.
So thanks for watching and for all the support. Happy holidays to everyone, and we'll see you again in 2026.